trash. Ooh. Mine. Oh, I'm gonna do freaking no. This is why I hate Isabel. And that there, my friends, is how you make stuff. Like that black marker that I use could represent so many things. It'll tell you all in the title right now. I really don't have time because, yeah, my friend texted me and she's like, hey girl, and I'm like, bye girl. And my cousin, basically my friend, yeah. She's my cousin, but she's also my friend, my sister. I love these earrings. Let me show you guys the earrings. These are called earrings. These are like earrings with bells in them. They're cute. They're adorable. I found these at Walmart. And I'm wearing them tomorrow. So if I do upload tomorrow, if you hear bells on my ears, ignore it! Ow. Anyway, I bet you guys are hoping that this is not like the vlog and it showed a black screen most of the time. But, so, yeah. I'm only uploading one more video, which will be tomorrow or Friday. I think tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Because I'm going somewhere Friday, and I'm not going to come back till Sunday, which Monday we're Christmas Eve-ing that day, and Tuesday is Christmas, so, and Wednesday I might not even film that week. I don't know. I may not even get around to filming until, like, next month. No, I will film this month. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to get around the camera. But, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching this DIY black stuff. It'll tell you in the title what all things it could be or make, and you could always use it for things else if you wanted to, but that's what I think it looks like and what it is. So yeah, and you can also use it for your baby alives and pour it in their bottle. I just made it in a teacup because I didn't feel like digging for the baby alives bottle anywhere. So yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I'm bored. My mom's currently wrapping gifts, and my brothers are annoying me, so. Goodbye.